Thorn Lane. Disregard. Continuing northbound. 39 TA. He just struck a white work van, going to be pulling over, and the subject is still fleeing, approaching 124. And I've got Lakewood with me.
What is with you approaching the 124 subject is still fleeing and struck a white work van?
Sam 13, can I go for a pit?
What area?
Okay, Firm, I've got a Lakewood unit. We're taking the gravelly exit. Continuing crossback on the northbound. Speed 60.
Speed 60, are you still on the freeway or continuing?
Continuing back on northbound. Gonna be westbound 512.
Westbound 512, receive.
Pit.
Are you happy to pit? Here's the doctor,
Felony stop.